army. All of them are based in bush. Nyadra word, many of them name activities. They replace Obran Abro anymore. And Obran are in charge of Biafra Liberation Army. He told me that Simon Ekpa is not listening to him then. He also told me now DOS I Gekunya wanted then. I was like, from this man may obey. Everybody is doing something on their own, leaving the founder and the leader of the movement. After said and done, in Kahaga, I now came back to East. I made personal investigation. Thousands of families in Igbo land, their children are missing. Thousands of families in Igbo land, their fathers, their mothers, their children are missing in Igbo land. And I asked this question: who is responsible for the kidnapping of our people? Is it Nnamdi Kanu or Nigerian government? I want to know.
And we may not like to use much English on it, so that because this is an internal affair. Let's discuss about our people. Let's discuss about our land. Let's discuss about our association and so on. So you can excuse us. Maybe some other time when we are going to use English language, we can invite you to, so that you may understand what we are saying. But for now, all this is to make Igbo land great again, like I normally say. Otutu ọma ehihie ọma na ngasị ọma ebe ọbụla ị nọ na nsọtụ ụwa niile. Ọka nwanne nwoke o Justice Ozobi na-ekwu. Ndị woro ụmụnne m asị m nke onye chiri biko ya zere. Tonight is a very great night. In anya n'ihu ifu that I'm not smiling anyway. Nwoke bụ onye obi akpọ. I don't care, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn anyway, because a man that has decided to die, any man that has decided to die, that man no fucking care. That man doesn't care. You understand? The reason why I'm doing what I'm doing is that I have chosen death anyway. Yeah, I have chosen death. Anyway, I'm coming. Please come back and fix this microphone, because I don't think maybe you guys are hearing me. I'm coming. Okay, Mark, may fix this.
Okay, because if you can hear me, actually, yes, I can hear you. If you can hear me, sim yes, I can hear you. Open in an even the sim and the kubiko o. Kaiba also. If you can hear me, actually, yes, I can hear you. I have no more than any Hindu at all. Can you hear me? When I need the at all, come go to this earpod, this microphone anyway. Okay, okay, darling, booking one quite I can see your comment. Okay, darling, oh, can I move now? Okay, go move. So let's talk to ourselves. First of all, you are all welcome tonight. Here one emergency broadcast. Open it now if online, they believe, right? I am your announcement here. Unumaka my live video in the sea, but not other emergency something that I will just wake up and decided to do. Maybe in Anjiche somewhere and decided to broadcast. You got to go. Upload something like that over time or days of it. No, I do it basically on Bob and May. So Dalo no one well not that our people will now watch it later. Yeah, on a very much live video. Sometimes later you see that over 10,000 of our people has later watched it. You got to go. Man, for now. Let's just do it. You gotta go. Nde batazie next. How watch bazie anyway. So what I'm trying to say is this: umunema come man unu gerementi of mofma. Nafana na wana monsa mem. Ezi Chineke na kwesiri ntụkwasị obi kalili ihe niile. Na manya kpọrọ gị isi ala. Enwero chi dịka gị nwekwuru chi ga-eji wetu yere gị. Ewezuga gị na mmadụ nkịtị bụ ihe efu. Naanị gị abụọ kaka. Naanị gị abụọ aka. Naanị gị abụọ ezi Ifeanyị Chukwu. Ihe kpatara my parents ji wee baa m Ifeanyị Chukwu. Maka na onwe ihe na anyị Chineke. Onye ma ba afọ Igbo m. Na mebulie gị enu karịa ihe niile apụrụ ịhụ anya na nke a na-apụghị ịhụ anya. Man is nothing and you are all. Ewezuga gị enwero chi dịka gị. enwere ochi agaji wetu yere gị n'ụtụtụ ehihie maọbụ na anyasị ị na-achị eze na mba America na mba Europe mba Asia na mba Africa ọsra sọsọ gị nwa bụ Chineke na ka na-akpa isi ala ya enwere ochukwu agaji wetu yere gị ana m ekwu ihe mgbe ọbụla ịbụ chukwu n'ezie ọ dịghị onye dịka gị onye kwanụ ka mbụ na-ewezuga gị onye si ya dịrị ọ dịrị onye si ya nwụrụ ọnwụrụ enwere onye mmadụ bụ hapụ na anyị nwa bụ ndị mmadụ na-anya isi nna m enweghị ihe mmadụ bụ n'elu ụwa amama amasị akpọrọ m gị isi ala ma chinyere gị aka elu darụ n'isi ụmụazị Igbo nọ na nsọtụ ụwa niile darụ n'isi ụmụazị Igbo eji n'ebe dịgasị iche iche nna m chukwu anya arịọ gị wee na-ajụ ọ ga-adịgide otu a wee ruo mgbe onye ka ole mgbe ka ọ ga-ebi na mgbatazie n'ọsọ nyere anyị aka nyezie n'anya akọ na uche na nghọta na elulu na amamihe ekwena ka anyị bụrụ ụmụ atụrụ na-akpafu kama nyere anya kama chịkọta anyị ọnụ ihe ndị a ka anyị na-arịọ makwa onye ga-emere anyị ise 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 tonight we are going to make a very remarkable teaching tonight. Like we are going to defend so many things that so many people are afraid of defending. I know that so many DSS are watching and so many Nigerian agents are watching. But I don't care. Because I must state the fact and say the truth the way it is. I must keep on saying the truth at all time and at all costs. Even if it will cost my life, I will keep on saying truth, facts and figures. Not everyone in Igbo land is praying for long life and prosperity. People like me, I don't pray for long life. If you want to live till 100 years, that is your fucking business, not mine. It is your business and not mine. As a matter of fact, Justice Ozobi do not want to live to 100 years. I want you to know that. Even at the age of 15, 13, 14, okay, could do more better. What am I even doing in this world that will hinder me from saying the fucking truth? That will hinder me from saying the truth. That will hinder me from saying the truth. In Kembubu that na umunem achorom ka ngazie some certain statements and so many things naga online currently in my name. Because now so many of our people I decided to go Kaije Kwatu justice. Let us bring him down. Well. Odrom Keneten, this is Igbo people for you. Man, number one, but the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been an advocate of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right from the day he was arrested to today. During the time Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, I have been in support of DOS. I have supported Mazi Chikadozium, China Sawala, name them, Emeka Gift. I have been your supporter. I have always speak for DOS. I fought against Simon Ekpa. I spoke against Simon Ekpa. His activities in Igbo land. Why am I doing all these things? Because that Igbo affairs concerns me. Igbo concerns me a lot. I cannot watch my people dying like fowls. I cannot watch my people being killed by unnecessary reasons. And I decided to always speak for my people. One, about the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I have always speak about Nnamdi Kanu. Even before he was arrested, I have been an advocate of DOS and Nnamdi Kanu. How come am I now the victim? Why am I now the problem? Why am I not being the problem now? Put that now. Nnamdi Kanu. I went to Sokoto. I met Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto when he was sentenced. I met him when he was sentenced to life imprisonment. I told him, Mazi, because Igbo land is being destroyed by unnecessary reasons. I know about the non-Igbo land. I didn't make Baroso, Baga Lagos, Baga Abuja, Baga Ugwausa, Baga London, Baga America, Baga Asia. I'm talking about we living in Igbo land. I have the money to do my passport. I'm not a poor person. No poor person can do what I'm doing. If I want to leave Igbo land, I can enter any country. I can to God who made me anew. If I want to leave Igbo land, give me 2 days, I will disappear. But I'm in Igbo land, normally Maro. I'm not from Togo, I'm not from Ghana, I'm not from Gabon. I'm in Igbo land, defending my people, speaking against injustice against my people. My people have been brutalized, they have been intimidated, they have been killed. And I've been number one supporter of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from time immemorial. Both my DOS, during the time that we are dragging with Simon Ekpa. I am not an IPOB member. Where was an IPOB? I have been a voice on my own. I'm a registered entity. I'm registered na Nigeria CSC. Go and Google about the new face of Igbo Youth Association. I am the founder. I am the leader. I'm recognized in Nigerian constitution. I am a legal entity. And I'm in Igbo land advocating for our people, going from prison to another, from cell to other, listen, maintaining peace and harmony among our people. But what is my crime? My crime, when I answer that now, let our people stop fighting Nnamdi Kanu. Is that not my crime? Okay, tonight I will make it clear. I have been a mouth. Even before he was arrested. I have been speaking good about him. I have been saying so many things about him. If you don't know. So why am I now the problem? Why am I not being the problem now? But I say, let the DOS, the so-called DOS, Nnamdi Kanu people from IPOB, sign and have lost in the IPOB. I said, let them stop insulting Nnamdi or instigating our people against Nnamdi. Why do I say so? Why I said so? One reason. One reason can you hear? Our people are go fond of when a mighty man raised among us, we will try to pull him down. Now let us listen. Let us listen and listen attentively. I came online and saw so many people calling him Onyen Duhe. And I wasn't that the kind of Onyen Duhe, Onyen Lafu, Onyen Ka, Onyen Kozo. And I got angry. Simba, this can't happen. Not while I'm still alive. Reason to us that this cannot happen, but now accusation saying Onyen Nnamdi Kanu, I want to ask questions on it. About that Nnamdi Kanu be a terrorist. Over that Nnamdi Kanu Burundi bani, Burundi Igbo bani. Over that Nnamdi Kanu Bonyori. Over that Nnamdi Kanu banuma no bunka burun cause no nezori no merenka. That's a say Igbo. Somebody should tell me one thing. Gini mere na Nigeria government abo Nnamdi Kanu akwa na London. Gini mere na Nigerian government abo Nnamdi akwa na UK ebo base. Gini mere ka haru Kenya. Gini mere na Nigerian government akaheja abo Nnamdi Kanu akwa na Kenya. And you want me to believe that a man that was extraordinarily indebted to Nigeria were a criminal cop? Nigeria break the international law. Nigeria is number one defrauder of law. Nnamdi Kanu be a criminal that could have sued him in London. They could have sued him in Kenya. How do you buy a London? How do you buy a Kenya? Hey, back, I know why you are from Quebec. Why should they spend the money kidnapping him? He just kidnapped all the way from Kenya, Burundi, and Nigeria. And you're not telling me that Nnamdi Kanu is guilty. Nnamdi Kanu go no nyori. Makagin. No juabunya and Jordan Karen Jordan Kozo. All we need is those evidence. What was hindering you in Nnamdi Kanu na London? What was hindering you in na UK? Na Kenya? Why must you bring him down to Nigeria by illegal means? He had an extraordinary redemption, which is against the international community law. Are you mad? Nnamdi Kanu be a criminal. Why can't you sue him in court over there? The same thing with Simon Ekpa. You could have done it to Nnamdi Kanu. Can you believe Wogi? Nnamdi Kanu be a criminal. You charge him to court. UK ya too younger. Kenya ya too younger. Why bring him in Nigeria? All because of no matter now. You people are being wrong. How can you tell me that now? When I get up on Woloku or bring your family in here? How can Nnamdi Kanu win a court case in Nigeria? Nigeria? How can he win a court case in Nigeria? Are you people mad? He said, "Oh, a criminal, oh, a criminal. Give me the boy a criminal. I want London. Give me the boy I want na Kenya. He bring whatever Nigeria. Izuria no Izuria. Block one is to follow the world constitution. Give me the Nigerian government tell you so the Interpol. This 21st century couldn't make an extraordinary redemption. This 21st century can manage an extraordinary redemption. Breaking the international community law. Gini Jigi, Imen Nnamdi Kanu arrest na London. Interpol ebuneti in Nigeria if the need occurs. Guinea's cage will spend by billions of dollars. If you are in Nigeria, no recover. Can you commit a crime? International community are watching and getting. Are you above Interpol? Is it Nnamdi Kanu above Interpol? Kanjun, Ndoli, Ndi Igbo neme ya, Nduzuzu. Is it Nnamdi Kanu above international community? Didn't they use international criminal this thing? Interpol will bring him down to Nigeria. If Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal, how a criminal? Let the Nigerian government use Interpol on him. The same thing Simon Ekpa. Give this case where James here at court. James says Simon Ekpa upon Finland. Why can't they bring him down to Nigeria? If that be the case. If that be the case, give him a Nuna Simon Ekpa and Nigeria kidnap Buneti. All because of Nuna Simon Ekpa. That's the reason why you went to Finland and swim to court. You really know that Finland. Give him a use of the same system even Nnamdi Kanu. Because him and Aki Adocha. Yeah, I'm saying it. All court here decide. It is left for judicial system to decide. How many can be criminal? He might be what the fact and evidence. What are they court na London? What are they court na Kenya? Why you not bringing him back to Nigeria illegally? There's a criminal. Your family are the judge. Who is going to win? You are expecting Nigerian government to happen Nnamdi Kanu? You are insane anyway. That's Nnamdi Kanu na Nigerian court. Nnamdi Kanu yepebu. You see how the rule you people have something wrong with you people up head. Nkahaga. And I'm still advocating for him. Reason I'm advocating for him, bro. I went to Sokoto, Sokoto. One Nnamdi Kanu, if you are involved in criminality, kidnapping of our people, killing of our people, big will happen the bank has work. Nnamdi Kanu told him that he only created the ESN, and the ESN is based on the bush. Now on him here that I should go and verify. That I should go and verify that ESN is being staying inside forest. ESN nano. No more about ESN with activities of Ihane Mena Nabani. I told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, okay, fine and good. So wadro man, open akagi the Yabiko, Guaramha, let them stop the operation, everything Haneme, both the Biafra Liberation Army and so on. Because we have to cease fire. That Nanibo is breathing. Blood is flowing in Igbo land. Our people are dying on daily basis. I told Nnamdi Kanu in his face, go. Let him come out and debunk it. I cried in his face. See, now, our people are being killed on daily basis. Stop this thing that it is consuming the blood of our people. I told him in his face. Nnamdi Kanu said, even Biafra Liberation Army, all of them are based in bush. Nyadra word, many of them name activities. They replace Obran Abro anymore. And Obran are in charge of Biafra Liberation Army. He told me that Simon Ekpa is not listening to him then. He also told me now DOS had a Gekunya wanted then. I was like, from this man, may obey. Everybody is doing something on their own, leaving the founder and the leader of the movement. After all said and done, in Kahaga, I now came back to East. I made personal investigation. Thousands of families in Igbo land, their children are missing. Thousands of families in Igbo land, their fathers, their mothers, their children are missing in Igbo land. And I asked this question: who is responsible for the kidnapping of our people? Is it Nnamdi Kanu or Nigerian government? I want to know. I have my evidence, so in case. So many of our people in DSS Custody Abuja, underground. So many of them are in Kaduna, so many of them in Kano, so many of them are in Sokoto. So many of them are in Kirikiri in Lagos. You kept our people there. You hide them in so many states. You saw a lot of youth. Over 1,000 something people is missing in Igbo land as I speak to you. But is it Nnamdi Kanu they kidnap under? Call the Nigerian government they kidnap under? Who is actually kidnapping our people? We want to know. I am not an IPOB. I am not an IPOB member. And I can never be an IPOB registered member. Because you people are being crazy. I pity Nnamdi Kanu. He already recruited animals. He got recruited to Bundala. Nnamdi Kanu didn't recruit men of integrity. He recruited animals. I will say it. Nobody will do any fucking thing. But because of Namba Chirenkete, if you go in a video before, have you ever seen me making a video about anyone before? It I made my own personal investigation. Thousands of our people are missing, and you are there in abroad making DOS, DOS Asolo, DOS here, DOS in car, DOS because we are not calling online. While our people are missing, our parents are being killed. They are killing our parents, and you are there talking about IPOB. He said, how many lives has been lost in Igbo land? How many of our youth take kidnap? And on a London, not a UK, not Lebanon, not Israel. Are you mad? He said, I'm going to family in the mother can kidnap here. Do you realize that this is people's family? But online, Nnamdi Kanu, Mbakaibo foreign and Igbo. Thunder fire you. Mbakaibo goes to Igbo, not Nagiwan. Do you think I don't care about life? The song that I come to, I want to die. Nobody matter. I want to die. I want to. Actually, keep warm. Complete vagabonds making noise. Do you think I care? If Uchiang was the one whatever why this I don't send you. You are here talking rubbish. Do you know so many of our people in prison there? So many of our youth are dying in daily basis. In the Nandi. As if that is not enough. As if that is not enough. We say that now. Nnamdi Kanu. Or no one they kidnap Ndibo. Or Nigerian government they kidnap Ndibo. I want to know this thing.
Okay, una na ihe nnekwu now. Akuna anabagi ihe nnekwu. No, don't worry, I'm seeing what you people are writing here. This mic, I have to remove it. Don't worry, when call. And when me call on this phone, I didn't make phone as a call. I'm not maybe or maybe not one of my family members. Okay, what I'm trying to say is this. Ask him. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Whether Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are the wrong or the right, we must allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out for so. I am not a member of IPOB and I will never be a member of IPOB. I can never be a member of IPOB. You know what the truth. I can never be a member of IPOB. But if you open up Basara Igbo land, anything that pertains to Igbo land that concerns the goodness of Igbo land, it will be not material. And with the two dimensions of IPOB. And when the members, when supporters, members, bundin ke feel no how and me haneme, supporters bundin ke banye, or the hakahesone me haneme. The Nigerian government can naju, or Nigerian government they wundi buy, Nnamdi Kanu they wundi buy. Who actually is killing our people? Nnamdi Kanu who na bebelime, they wundi buy, or Nigerian government they wundi buy. I want to know. I carried out my own personal investigation and I found out that now thousands of our people are in prison. Nnamdi Kanu, our people in prison. Kirikiri, EJ Jos, EJ Makodi, EJ Kanu, EJ Kastina, Ndibo, Juleba, youth Ndibo, Arabic shit there. Our youth are being detained in that place without any judgment. Nnamdi Kanu got heba. Nnamdi Kanu got at that place. How can Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Tetenolata decide to kill Ndibo? On the Igbo ahụ na-egbu ya ihe Biafra. On the Igbo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-egbu ya mi ya ọbata from nga. He spend ego. Ego na ka spend na IPOB ya nwan. How much did you spend na IPOB? Oruke ego leadership go nwanyị. Oruke ego ruru ji agba oringo. Ego nwan spend na IPOB oruke ji agba oringo. He spend ego. He spend ka na IPOB ọgụ spend nchika spend nke ọzọ. Justice mechi on the spend the ego na be ya he spend na IPOB you mad isi arụkwa gị mma. Now I want to know, and actually can I clarify here tonight. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye ori, ogbuo na onye nka, ogbuo na onye nka, ọzọ na-eme autopilot, ọ na-eme nka. Then I ask one question. Nnamdi Kanu na-egbu ndị be anyị, or Nigerian government na-egbu ndị be anyị. Personal investigation mgodi, our people have been detained in so many prisons. Ọ bụrụ ndị nke ha gburu egbu. I'm not talking about ndị egburu egbu. I am not a member of IPOB. Mana for the fact that na ani Igbo ani ha na-eme na ani Igbo na adị m mma n'obi. Na m chọrọ ka ani Igbo dị mma. Abụ m a registered entity. I'm a registered entity in Nigeria. If you don't know, I'm well registered in Nigeria. I'm CSC of what I'm doing. I could have paid for a visa. Sin ani Igbo pụọ, je China or chobere mma gbogana ya. But I stood still. And on my ban, decided to fight for ụmụ ban. I started fighting for police intimidation, harassment, detention, and all that. So many parts of ani Igbo ebe a na-anụ ọgụ ya. I have tried to raise committees. Some communities now. The most important thing I name in the online net so some you name so some bottle. So many communities ne wo one and Igbo eba na kwafo obala de egwu. I general the communities bi nyo yoko fight bagoro ka odajuo. I send delegates there, I send committee. Akpọpụta ndị okenye ba anyị kụziere ihe against. My people are being killed, my people are dying. In whatever na na-ekwueri so nkwueri. Kuru Mazi Nnamdi Kanu genu na ndị ba anyị na anwụ ka njụọ gị. What is the benefit of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that our people are dying? I want to know. What exactly is his benefit? Obona Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụta site n'ike na mara nke Chineke. O nwere so many questions to answer from us. I ajụ Nnamdi Kanu so many questions, but he must come out first. Obula ebe ahụ nọ na detention. Nigerian government ebubego ndị be anyị tupu Nnamdi Kanu aba in. Operation Python dance enwere ihe dịka ESN, enwere ihe dịka Biafra Liberation Army, enwere ihe dịka Mongo men during time of Operation Python dance. On Nnamdi Kanu mere Operation Python dance. Some riffraff na blame Nnamdi Kanu na Operation Python dance. Why should Nnamdi Kanu say all road leads to Aba? All road leads to Aba. Gịnị kpatara Nnamdi Kanu eji all road leads to Aba? So Nnamdi Kanu emekwezi arụ isi ndị be anyị gada na be anyị kwa. Arụ ka o mekwazi. Ihe niile dị man mere nwụrụ atọ ni brem ya up and down. Gbuo dike mbọsị ihe dike mere ha ga-achụkwa dike. Unu amụrụ ihe dị man represent na Igbo. A man that can speak and thousands of people listen to him. Ka gị wa boli flat, gị wa nwa okoko zoro na Europe, zone America na asị ijikwa spend 1 million, ejikwa spend 2 million na IPOB. Onwe force gị spend ego ahụ. Did anyone force you? Matara na chọrọ ịka na Igbo adị mma. Ọ bụ na Nnamdi Kanu na-enecha anya sị ya chi ịhụ 100 men ya nụrụ ya ọgụ kpọpụta ya from detention. Nyanwa m ihe ọfụ. Ihe dọrọ ebe ịgbachi nkịtị. Let those 100 men kpọpụtagoro ya kpọpụta. You can decide you change afa nke from DOS, you change it to maybe Biafra Liberation, or just try ihe ọbụla ya akpị ya. Kpọọ ya Biafra anything ọbụla ị chọrọ kpọọ ya. Hapụrụ Nnamdi Kanu IPOB. Leave IPOB for him. Use the influence of IPOB bute ọgbaghara na Igbo. Stop bringing war na Igbo anya ebe a. Unu bụ ọkaike na nwanne unu. Nnamdi Kanu mere nka. Before the existence of Onongo men na Operation Python Biafra Liberation Army, Onongo men, ESN, before those three things started to exist in Igbo, Onengo killings by Nigerian government against the agitation. And you think it is now different? Why will Nigerian government think that now by killing people we help them to stop an agitation? Why will a government? I am not an IPOB member. I'm not following you people for meeting and anything. I'm not even a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu personal advocate or something like that. But what I'm trying to say is this: why would the government kill some certain people in order for them to prove a point? In the Igbo, the 1,998 Biafran agitators kahabo. There was a time when you discuss about Biafra, even in Keke na Pepe, Ibade Jaya, somebody will talk about Biafra. When you respond about Biafra to the person, they will arrest you. That was how our people were being disappearing every day. They buy an F. And then soon they buy Noshi. And then fully cook. All those things kind of put on Nnamdi Kanu. On Nnamdi Kanu mechara chanine. Obu na Nnamdi Kanu create your own government, create a Biafra Liberation Army. It is justified though. You went to his compound, killing thousands of youths, and you think no you fool that watching in Kete. Why will Nigerian government go to somebody's house and kill everybody in the bar? Why? For what? This is a country with democracy. We are also simple and snappy. Why should the Nigerian government take a force? Thousands of people. Do you think that you accept it? How would you feel? Evil-minded people. How will you feel? How will you feel? All the whole DSS, you are all welcome in this live video. All the whole Nigerian security CIA, you are all welcome. Unu no, can go no ezio kutana. No never can this in other home. Security my food. Everybody can put in a salary. You went to somebody's house, you killed so many people there, and the name expect can fold yaka. Nenebegi. on imaro no ye create an organization ya fight kwa back. Each and obara he was never and you have not there watching it. We are you expecting him before to keep quiet? Come na Nigerian government chorudo na ha chokibo land dem ma. Ihe ha ka imebu he make sure that that water Nnamdi water man da any maybe Biafra agitation and we round time table. And we round table meeting. Ekpedo here. Nobody kills his own people. And then you don't kill your own people. Obuli haya watanebo, obuli haya butenamma. Nanas give us Biafra, give us Biafra. Does that warrant killing them or warrant Ribua? 2016, 2015, 2017, IPOB we are being killed. We are there anything like unknown government? We are there anything like ESN? We are there anything like Biafra Liberation Army? Kezi reason, Kebe Nigeria bidolaka wenebua. Now Nnamdi Kanu retaliate. Maybe he can create a group. Zone here again on IPOB. Is he not justified? Or can packing a magamulo? Or can one day give a woman win a compound Nnamdi Kanu no Operation Python dance? We are you expecting him before watching it? Ibewu? Are you a goat? Can I know Ibo? He said, I'm going to walk him. Him on Nnamdi Kanu we are retired. Each or peace. Nnamdi Kanu as the natural war. As the natural war. Or when Nigerian government go Jacob na bie. Una put online news gari. And Zuzu ndo kenye di check. Fine and good. Nnamdi Kanu choose war. Okay, he choose war. Okay, what we are going to do is this. He have something that we can settle amicably. He have be a Nigerian government must settle with Nnamdi Kanu amicably. I am seeing danger in Southeast. I am seeing extremely danger. And we hear Nnamdi Kanu. If anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu, our people are not happy. Our people are not happy. If you kill Nnamdi Kanu that place, there will be a very, very severe consequence. Any day you kill Nnamdi Kanu, Southeast will turn upside down. And you want to know someone that is being supported by his people. Omunandi will do 1,998,000 Biafran supporters. Now Nigerian government now go around kidnapping everybody believe in Biafra. How many people will you kill? How many people will you kidnap? How many people will you send to prison? How many? Madone kuni yebu, Madone kuni yati na prison. Are you not seeing the handwritten clear? Either from the buy no open a mama mumaka, mamata krea mutata ne kwoku Biafra. Are you not seeing it? Get a mad politician on them money. How could 3 or 4 politicians be speaking for thousands of people? You are saying that these people are demanding for Biafra by all means. And you are talking about 3 people or 4 people. Out of 1 million people waiting for Igbo land, at least 100 or 290 politicians. Can they speak for 900 and something thousand others? We are all caught up. Go and investigate in the Southeast. Thousands of people believe in Biafra. Now you go there kidnapping all of them. He the basic one kidnap. He took away in a prison. Is this not mass massacre? Is this not a genocide? On here a genocide. You are killing my people and you want me to keep silent. Keep silent for what exactly? Nnamdi Kanu where decide I was in the actuals in the DOS. The actuals 100 men. DOS and see boy Nnamdi no you recover city boy see so boy see BP see men cause. Those useless people still have DOS one and what can tell you work in the mother get hunting. Do you know what power of influence is all about? In here power of influence. How many of you get work on Igbo get Unu je bu fu obere Nnamdi Kanu nka ai ka furu anya. How many of you ekwu okwu ka ndị ba ige unu ntị? Akọrụ unu bụ onye nke senitere isi. Gbuenie. Ụmụ okoko. Onye ọbụla senitere isi gbuenie. So ugbu ka passed. What achievement kunu achieve goal? Since I age go Nnamdi Kanu eji. Since I age go Nnamdi. But what I want achievement, you know achieve goal right in Igbo. apart from online so mkpọtụ ka eji mara unu ndị chọchọchọ igbu ụmụnne unu ada duru n'isi that's ọ na-adụrụ unu hard at all abịa na gbasara igbu ụmụnne unu nwa na-agba fes ya ka eji mara unu onye nke akpọ m na phone mind your way so we kill you onye nke akpọ mind your way so we kill you mgbe m na-agwa ndị be Simon Ekpa ndị autopilot nke ha nna asị ha dị anyị seneta na aka kunu semi ihe n'ala Igbo ha kpọkọtara na phone anyị egbugo kịta na olukwene ndị DOS ha kpọkwana na phone anyị egbugo ogbu ka ọrụ oge aka killer B ibu Chucky. Have you ever watched that video na akpọ Chucky? Ọ ihe unu bụ killers ogbu ka ọ nọ na aka unu egbu mmadụ ndị ala unu egbuulo politicians anyị niile ji anyị Igbo egwu unu egbuulo all these politicians men na Igbo adịghị mma ịnọ n'obodo oyibo toilet ka ị na-ekpo n'obodo oyibo ebe ịnọ drug ka ije na-ebu akwụkwọ ịgụlọ onwere nothing rush obodo oyibo jebe aje na-ezuzu Joseph adekwukwe dị giving t profile picture gị mana o rute ihe dịka Justice Ozobi ị machapụta mmegbu gị iso na-egbu mmadụ ị na-atụ ụjọ eti sọsọ profile picture nke gị onukwu a na-ezuzu. We must allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Open up to 100 men. Decide that those 100 men will defend him. Oh, no problem. Open a like here. Just create here a group. Show for boy. Show for the group he created. I want to Igbo fi hi na menia or masi anyi. Anya join ogi. Anya join ogi here. It's as simple as ABCD. Go and make inquiries. Onwolo e man enwe dika US na Igbo. Ndị ha ma na Nnamdi Kanu so ko ya na ma. All the side and all you call with Simon Ekpa nke agbasaria that is his own business. One thing mmadu bebu onye obuna dị bunya na commit crime obuna na Igbo ebe a Nigerian government should hold that person. Anyone committing crime in Igbo land, Nigerian government should do what? To hold that person, but in a justifiable way, not in an intimidation manner. Obuna Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye ori no committing ka no committing cause gịnị ji Nigerian government ije na London ebe o based gbaa ya akwụkwọ na court? Gịnị ji ha wee ije na Kenya gbaa ya akwụkwọ na Kenya? Ha je na Finland gbaa Simon Ekpa akwụkwọ na Finland kpegbuo ya na court ọkwa ya? Gịnị ji ha wee ije kwuru Nnamdi Kanu gbaa ya akwụkwọ kpegbuo ya? Gịnị ka ha ji wee chọwazi kidnap ke ka mụ na gị na-abụghị esu enwe okwu your family abụrụ the judge you don't expect ka mmerie ke gị seme Nnamdi Kanu expect ka o prove his innocent na Nigeria government gị nwa bụ persecutor gị nwa bụ the kemafia the judge ị na-persecute ị na judge ị na-eme arrest sọsọ gị nwa. Why not them drag him to international criminal court if that be the case? Ebe eziokwu ya nọpụta unu akpọnata nwoke mmadụ na Nigeria ebe a na-akpụ ya onye ori na-akpụ ya nka na-akpụ ya ọ bụ na obi kara unu na onye ori ka Nnamdi bụ si all this while gịnị ji unu wee gbe ya akwa na London mgbe ọ nọ na London? Why must you kidnap him? Nigerian government failed the international community standard. Now this 21st century kick an extraordinary redemption. Never na come to Kaka. Are you talking to your fellow illiterate? It's an idea bit kage. It's an idea bundle Joe Skukage. We must allow this man up on the Kanu to breathe. We must allow him to breathe. We must allow him to breathe. We must allow this man to breathe. Nigerian government find out. Then when anything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, let them take him to international criminal court. Let them take him back to Kenya, judge him there, or take him back to London, judge him there. You got to go. Ahem, why can't me quote? A guy kidnap Nnamdi Kanu kidnap. He seem quote no na cause problem in Igbo. Ajum na my head quote. Nnamdi Kanu we mgbe mune abo na sokoto. I told him, enwe onye obuna yiji. Akpamkpamkpa na Igbo eba. Why the person to withdraw? Her cause is not like problem, which he assured me to maintain peace na Igbo. Mana isem na mu je kwote na Nnamdi Kanu melenka men cause menka. Obu no mere those things. Gini me ni ikperi ikpe na London, ikperi ikpe na Kenya, he kidnap be a kidnap. Every man ikpebu. With ordinary some let's just say 20 million. He about Nnamdi Kanu akwa na London. Gini can Nigeria just spend us billions. He kidnap. In agwado onyo obodo onye kwuru nakọrọ. Onye kwuru nakọrọ that rubbish. If he is in charge of unknown government and all that, if he is in charge of all those things, let God be his judge. Because for now, Nigeria cannot judge him. Nigeria no one at fault. Let that man come out first. Oputa. Ani ya be on phone. Oputa. We will call him on phone. Oputa life. I on phone. Na. Iye do na mbosi eni. Gini bataroju weme. Osa ine kwe. Ndị Igbo si na onye a na-egbu egbu na-ekpere ọnụ ya. Ihe anyị na-anụ kịta bụ na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, he said, we have not heard Mazi Nnamdi Kanu speak. There is a difference that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu speaks and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said. We must hear directly from him. All those things is none of my business. I wouldn't decide I know each 100 men popota Nnamdi Kanu be the best. Nka gbasazira anyị nwesala aka anyị ya egbuo Nnamdi Kanu fine all in the good. Gịnị ka anyị na-anụ soziri ọgụ? Why are we so focused on ebe Nnamdi Kanu no? Nnamdi Kanu bụ governors, onye bụ senators anyị, onye na House of Rep anyị. Nnamdi Kanu chụpụ from Nigeria iji wee na-eze anyị na Europe na America jebe aje na ata afụ. Nnamdi Kanu kpọnara gị ebe ahụ. I hate when some people here happen their responsibility just shadows. My only plea with Nigerian government is that they should release Nnamdi Kanu. Let them release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. They must release him unconditionally. They release him. You open the quiz kit and give against. If they release Nnamdi Kanu, put that bolum arua na koruba. Muabu justice also be put it to you all. Muabu justice also be a boy is abasabi amba. Manoya kalamama na oputara. I will prefer not put face to face. Upon on a prison, more or ever be. Onion Kepota or Justice also, we are not a member of IPOB. We're pulling an IPOB. Am I telling you people how to direct IPOB? Before family press, your useless family press, it will preach something. Open a family press say that now Justice also be I'm advising you. Or Justice also be this is that or code. None of the nonsense media now. We are cautioning Justice also be in a caution no pagi wanibu. Abumwa boy are you insane? He said wagimma. A word of caution to Justice Osobi. A word of caution as unyegi was an honor. A word of caution as begi. Do I look like a servant to you? Are you insane? He said wagimma. You came online, just says a word of caution. In a caution, Nani, in a caution, as in, my mother or my father, either caution, Nani. Go and caution your generation, Maboni Maro. Go and caution your generation. In a caution only. And when I retaliate, some people say after all, body. Oh, it body home. Anyway, illiteracy will problem. You swear you will be your problem. Most of these people name me a bunch of illiterates. On what hammer. Illiterate an existing entity the more is a word of caution. And the mother Tananya, there your jargons, Bagoro, there your jargons, mother. In here my advice, get a come with IPOB. As my IPOB do this, as my IPOB do that. Or what the same defendant now defending now the canon say. Now, why will we be insulting now the canon this critical time? Why should we focus on Nnamdi Kanu this critical time? Or clear about Juni Lanjuro, but we are cautioning Justice Osobi. But you went on. Were the same IPOB media? Were they entertain Lolo Chimezie? Lolo Neka. Our Lolo Neka Chimezie can be a cogin. He were the same platform IPOB, let me entertain. Or whatever not bad in Nandi. Then more Roma put us somebody's than Nandi. If you ever say a word of caution to Justice Osobi, that word of caution will kill you. If one of them that article, that word of caution will destroy you. How will not be cast some of you body flat? Tiko didn't see in Nigeria. Yeah, but you come inquiry. If not, by now, Munu could have ended this in court of law. Bunch of leaflets. I respected DOS members before. I honored them. I so much love them before. I respect them because of men of integrity, not an 80. Man, at this time around, displaying my picture. You name me a DSS, Jaburu Justice, also be up here. Reason Jamaica DSS or DSS, Yabrum Moria. One DSS, Yabrum. A song you bop on Nigeria. I'm on Nigeria. Oh, yes, I based in Nigeria. DSS should invite me. I will go. You want to go? Let them invite me. I will go. Unlo heme investigation ha. Manaka menwele any connection with any criminal activities. Obu na menwele nataba. Obrukwa na ha decide igbu m dika ha se egbu ndị ọzọ aka ha dị ọcha ha gburu mgbu onwe ihe ọzọ. Onwere ihe ọzọ. Egbu he na m kita kwa ide happy. O so na Biafra nwanne na-azọ. Lele ndị na-azọ Biafra. Asị na-azọ Biafra pụta some of you apụta. Ụmụ okombi. Aha China bụ ndị freedom fighters. Freedom fighter ala. That's freedom fight iberibe. Ete through picture me je post up and down so that just also will be arrested. Arrested na me again. What is my crime? What exactly the crime also be? Did I commit any crime? Esomune me or pirate? Esomune me IPOB. What is my offense? So answer. Let our people stop insulting Nnamdi Kanu because you people are recruiting people. You have a call room kita be make sure that now before Nnamdi Japata that now so many people be ash. Okuya ba call room. I have shagono de kun. Me ken giluago ma ijelo ma kunu ha. Ihu no kita ba assignment in your room. Both mo nwa bo ndesi with DOS. We never assignment in your room operation pull him down all ya. Kunu ma kunu eji media. Ebo ji media ligo lebono. Kunu we ko the same media abudu ti all ya all oru akunu no. Darum buru nu munnu jebe. Most of you the worse than Boko Haram and the Fulani bandits. Here mabu Nnamdi Kanu emelaru o melempu o melenko o melenkozo. We must allow him come out first. Unu je release here ba hono. Ya nata go first. Onata ay malaka ijesie. Onata ay malaka ijesie. Obatazie kwuzie nke wela anyi iwe. Mgba ka yeju esia na Yesus. Mana assistance na mo I strongly support him. Olon kwuche eta te chi ni DSS ya kpuru moria. Opya ku ni na cho. Oria ka IPOB choro. Oria freedom ha na fight. Freedom ha na fight agwucha na ebu munne ha no. Freedom ha na fight agwucha na ise tu munne ha op si jebu ha si jebu ha. Oria freedom ndi DOS one. Broad suckers. Unu achoro just si je kpuru onya agbuo, si je kpuru onya agbuo. Oria bu ihe nwanu nneme unu kporo IPOB. Onwala IPOB ozo ga feresi onye mi ihe set ya up ka kpuru ya. Okwa agbuo. All this mbu na online I will deal with you. All of you set ya mad up onwe ihe ozo. Onwere unu ni apụta challenge won physically onwelo. Ihe mere mebi je na DSS report on na so na ndị na-eme nka eme nka ọzọ abịa kpụrụ mọkụ ya ọkwụkwọ agwụna. Mana mind you that I'm a registered activist in Nigeria. Aside of my CAC as a registered entity na Nigeria, I certificate of authentication permit for activism. Yeah, mbo gieru refi life. O gieru efu ni neme the legal. Ndoshi. So mu na me odo so neme go and release Nnamdi Kanu that place so that peace will reign in an Igbo. At least see release Nnamdi Kanu, release kabani dunudo. Nnamdi Kanu putazie anyị na afu ya kolokolo ojira ka ya mezie nka anyị se ya anya choria Nnamdi Kanu puta na kita na mu ase pestari na ekpebere ko puta o puta nwa nwe ka osuwe me rubbish mu ajo so be fight Nnamdi achọrọ m ịma maka my organization unu chọ une follow unu chune follow Nnamdi Kanu puta continue anything be illegal I will fight against him. Man, as long as on that DSS that prison custody, and when you open it, one kita mekote makachi because now the process Nnamdi Kanu juoje go do wrong. Process you to yanga be very wrong. O go see that now. Nadama naki adocha. Don't look why na de kuba is na Chineke and I da lo Chineke na yela anyaka no nya ikike opu ya. All the na de kube. Nigerian government are carry Nnamdi, or even Nnamdi. Then again about Haji kidnap him Naju. Why should now kidnap him? Every much I need fat and figures, evidence and everything. Guinness kidnap Nnamdi. That's the hand of good word there. We will kidnap with you. Maybe see out to here and Igbo. What was here no na prison then order, no na DSS then order. Obudo de kunna kolo. Onye kunna kodro.
ụmụnne Nnamdi mekwa nke ụmụnne Nnamdi Kanu mekwa nke ọzọ ụmụnne Nnamdi Kanu pụtara kịta ọbụna Nigerian gọọmenti zuzuru hapụ ya sinsa anyị na-ekwusi hapụ ya ụmụnne ya ga-enwe opportunity bịa zụzu ya ụmụnne ya ga-enwe opportunity bịa mee ha mere ọbụna Nnamdi Kanu pụtara sinsa anyị na si hapịa maka anyị ma the danger of it unu jisie ike ebe ahụ unu jisiri ya ọbụna Nnamdi Kanu pụtara ụmụnne ya Prince Kanu na ndị otu ya agaghị eme ya ile ma accuse na ha mere unu ebugoro ụzọ hapụgoro ihe fọs hapụrụ na anyị Nnamdi Kanu fọs unu hapụrụ anyị Nnamdi ahụ anyị wee mara ihe a niile ọ na-eme ka ọkwanye ọha na-eme ya ka ọ na-eduhi mmadụ eduhi ka mmadụ na-eme ya ọ gaghị nọ na prison isi anyị nọ na prison enye ọda o jikwa nọ na DSS enye ọda the same order Simon Ekpa pụtasị na ya agaghị ewe the same order DOS pụtasị na ha agaghị ewe onye zi ka ọ na-enye ọda onye ka Nnamdi Kanu na-enye ọda wan ekwu aka ha ka nke mafia DOS afight bago Nnamdi ya pụtasị na peji ede onye nduhe mụ na bụ initial time that now you people we are paid to bring that young man down from social media maka ụmụ na half of our people dị 1999 on social media so unu chọrọ isi from social media drag the man down ka unu mee ka o nwee so many hate led ka ndị mmadụ hate ye ọrịa bụ aka ọrụ ọrịa ka gọọmenti kwuru na ụgwọ ya zanụ ya didn't government pay so many of you whatever na-ekwu eri whether the activities of Nnamdi Kanu or the right or the wrong, we must allow him. Currently in the local government, military personnel jere ebe a gbaa village ahụ ọkụ chụpụsịa ndị niile nọ n'ebe a video sie na trend online afụbere m unu ebe unu karịrị ya on afụbere m ebe unu react maka ya mana ekwutekwa n'okwu Nnamdi unu na-enu grrrr ka ijiji na ọ gaghị adụrụ unu na mma short. Can you hear me? I mean, I need to yes, I can hear you. Lolo Nneka Chimezie. Lolo Nneka. I'm a member of IPOB. But countless time, IPOB in a new platform, new opportunity of whatever not bad in Nnamdi Kanu. More no IPOB. I came online using my own personal media. Where is Sabarizan Nnamdi? Una tones against me. But same names. And we also back all number of operations selling him off. Okay, I like it that because now I'm having a serious calls. I'm in a serious calls. I want to know who is this and what is going on. Because and we'll go about how many minutes call. You know about how many minutes call here. So because I would like to answer these calls. Our live video maybe some other time we can see come online and make some expositions. Actually, I'm going to based on course where them know be. I could check for my IPOB, Babaro wine Katadolan, because we have a lot of things to discuss. Now, about IPOB as well. So for now, I have to go there about IPOB. Like to me, I don't have half hour. I have never called them for one day. Or how I just snap or half up and down. I have been number one defender of Nnamdi Kanu. Before you follow them, before most of you follow them online, he might have been a defender of Nnamdi. Or one Nnamdi cannot defend if you follow them. All because of if you can't start defending Nnamdi Kanu, Mandi Bubai, Kiji follow. Then get these keys will be on my platform. In any respect, suddenly can't stop Ziku Nnamdi or the possible. Have been a mouth that speaks about Nnamdi for years. Before matter say for Justice Ozobi, have been speaking for Nnamdi Kanu. Go and Google Justice Ozobi. I was rebelled a member of IPOB so many times by Nigerian government. Go and Google it. Google is your friend. Joyable Justice Ozobi. They have rebelled me so many times as number one IPOB member. Oh, you go na pom. Mana, the same IPOB one tata committee. Sibu Justice. Sibu Ziam gene kambel ha. Na asas ha Barizan Nnamdi. Si chere kopta from nga. O kwani ihe mere. O kwani ihe mere sa Barizan Nnamdi. Si chere kopta from prison. O kwani ihe committee. Kwa na ji ihe mere ndị be anyị kunaf. Ndị operation kill my brother. Ihe na akpọ ha bụ OPP operation kill my brother. Operation kill my brother. O ihe pastor. Ndị gbuo nwanne m
because he has passed. How many of them jegori be win no Abuja? He ma go win try something or not. So say be an fu habo. Enwu ko hene nwanne ha ọ dị ha kono ọ dị emedeche. Ifu ha chani nebe you no grrr. Alandia kaigbo nie. Ihele mbuku unu. All gonna call him non because my name still remains Justice Ozobi. I'm the leader of the new face of Igbo Youth Association, otherwise known as IYM Igbo Youth Movement. My brothers all over the world, and make a known for this live broadcast. Now, because Tosa message here, Tosa and on the platform. Download it, you can spread it anywhere so that can buy Norun Kebezioko that Nnamdi Kanu remains innocent until he comes out there. They won't. Remember, no matter what, I still love you as an Igbo person. Obonam Nkurinto any day, decide I loan them. May the good Lord I serve take my life. Obonam Nkurinto any day, decide he plan only Igbo on agitate Chineke biko napumundum. Monobo hana na nne ekpere for the namu niile bụ ndị Igbo. Ana mali eluigwe ka ha na-emepere mmụọ ụzọ ma na-echekwa m ise.